Hey everyone, it's Travis here. We're going to do a quick tutorial on showing you how to sync your Fitbit device with the Myshibboleth website. Now, currently, the only step tracker that our website will communicate with their website is the Fitbit.com products, the Fitbit products, if you will. If you're using some other step counter, you have to enter your miles and or steps manually into the Myshibboleth journal, which is easy to do. Once you, if you're using a Fitbit device, once you connect with the Fitbit website, then the walking miles and the steps that are counted by your Fitbit will override any manual entries that you make into our website. So you need to make sure that you want to use that Fitbit device. I'm going to show you how to get the Fitbit website and the Myshibboleth website to communicate. So as you can see, I'm on the website, myshibboleth.com, going to log in. Once I get logged in, I'm going to make sure that I'm in my profile. When I log in, I've got the website set to take me automatically to my profile. There's several places on the website that after you log in that you can make sure that you automatically go to. Well, mine's set automatically go to my profile. And I'm just going to scroll down under the Edit tab. And here I will see additional services, mobile application, API key. Those of you that are trying to get the mobile app to sync with our website, you'll need your API key. That's another tutorial. Then you've got Fitbit synchronization. So here I'm going to establish synchronization with the Fitbit device. So I'm going to allow, okay? You can see in the past I've allowed this before, started from October 5th, 2016. But anyway, I'm going to allow Fitbit synchronization by clicking the allow button. Okay, now I have allowed synchronization with the Fitbit website, but there's another step that we have to do. Now we have to go to the Fitbit website. So I'm going to go over there and let me log out and log back in to show you how this works. I'm on the Fitbit website. I've got an account with Fitbit and I can see my account. Now, once I'm in here, I need to go over to this little settings tab. See where it says view settings? I need to look at my settings. Now, once I'm in the Fitbit website, I need to go over to applications. Once I click applications, I can see that I have authorized certain apps to interact with my Fitbit account. One of those is the Myshibboleth website. I can revoke access to the website at any time. So if I revoke access, I'm not going to do that, but if I revoke access, then I'm going to lose synchronization from my Fitbit device to the Myshibboleth website. I don't want to revoke access. If you haven't granted access, you will be asked here if you want to grant access to the Myshibboleth website. You will have to turn on access for Myshibboleth and the Fitbit website to communicate. And you do that right here through applications. Now, once I've gained access, let's show you how this looks. I'm going to go back to the Myshibboleth website and I'm going to click Journal. And let's go to yesterday where there's actually data entered. I'm going to go to April the 29th, and I'm going to go to challenges and exercises. That's where walking, your walking and your steps are should be logged. Now, normally, if you don't have Fitbit synchronization and access, you'll have a box here that says enter your walking miles and a box here that says enter your steps. But because I've got Fitbit synchronization, this is on override. So see, this says data from Fitbit. I walked 5.589 miles. I made 11,730 steps. Now, this isn't real time. It takes some minutes to update. Our website will repeatedly check in with the Fitbit website throughout the day. Your device that you wear does not communicate with our website. Our website communicates with their website. So you will need to make sure that their website is updating your steps. So let me go back to yesterday. You'll want to make sure that your device is communicating with your profile on their website, because our website is pulling from this information here. This information right here on the left where it says yesterday. That's where our website's pulling the information from. So if your device isn't talking to their website, it's not that it's not talking to ours, it's that our website's not communicating with theirs because you haven't synced to the website. Once you get your Fitbit device, there should be clear instructions on how to set up an account and get their website to syncing with your device. And once you take care of these steps, real easy, real quick, once you take care of these steps, then our website will communicate with their website and you're good to go. Hope that helps.